Sarah here, reporting on Plumbtree Plumbing and Rooter, Inc., a diamond-certified plumbing company serving residential clients in San Mateo, Santa Clara, and Alameda Counties. Our diamond-certified research shows that owner Glenn Hammonds and his team have the training and equipment to offer everything from routine fixture repairs to complete sewer and drain services. They specialize in using advanced techniques like hydrojetting for sewer cleaning and trenchless technology for water and sewer line replacements, methods that minimize property disruption while delivering long-term results. Founded in 2020, Plumbtree Plumbing and Rooter has quickly built a reputation for providing reliable, comprehensive plumbing work. Known for their responsiveness and deep technical knowledge, the company's technicians take a consultative approach to solving all types of plumbing issues. That's our report on Plumbtree Plumbing and Rooter, where, as Mr. Hammonds puts it, they're not just fixing leaks, they're building trust and providing real solutions. I'm Sarah Withers, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.